Hello, good morning. My name is Leslie Sabina Villaseñor Cerón of the Universidad Autónoma del Estado de Hidalgo. I am going to talk about in the work influence of the polyethylene glycol on the microwave-assisted hydrothermal synthesis of nanostructured hydroxyapatite. The hydroxyapatite is the main inorganic compound of the bones and vertebrate heart tissues. It has gained significant attention that's thanks to its biological and mechanical, chemical, and optical properties. Among these is a biocompatibility and bioactivity make it an excellent candidate for the advanced biomaterials applications. It is well known the reduction hydroxyapatite particle size over the nanoscales can enhance its physical, chemical, and biological performance. This is mainly due to the increase in the surface area and the surface reactivity, which can improve integration with the biological tissues. In this work, we explore the role of the polyethylene glycol and biocompatibility, biodegradability, and non-toxic biopolymer as surfactants and coating agents. Polyethylene glycol not only helps control particles growth, but it also has the potential to reduce bacterial adhesion of the implant surface. Our object was the synthesis of hydroxyapatite by the microwave-assisted hydrothermal method using polyethylene glycol at the different concentrations and 0 and 0.1 and 0.2 and 0.3, 0.4 and finally 0.5% by the weight. The obtained samples were characterized by X-ray diffraction with the identical hexagonal and monocrystal is the fast and the monoclinical, with the crystal size between the 18.28 and 53.34 nanometers, and the Fourier transformed infrared spectroscopy, which confirms of the presence of the characteristic phosphates and hydroxyl groups of the hydroxyapatite, along with the CH bond bands attribute of the polyethylene glycol surfactants, and it presents the reaction mechanics and the conclusions of the results show that the polyethylene glycol can influence of the morphology, crystals, and surface chemical of the hydroxyapatite synthesis by microwave-assisted hydrothermal method. By fine-tuning polyethylene glycol concentration, it's possible to control particle size and potentially improve the performance of the hydroxyapatite for biomedical application, particularly in the bone regeneration and implant surface modifications. Thank you for your attention.